Hey guys, I'm back with your science tutorial on how to access your science assignment and how to submit your science assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and underneath the topic, the week of April the 27th, I'm going to click on Hayslip Science, Learned Behaviors, and Instinctive Behaviors. When I click on that tab, it's going to drop down and I'm going to click on View Assignment. Okay, I'm going to go up to the right where it says Your Work and I'm going to click on the Google Slides. There are 10 slides here in this assignment. Just to recap for you for a moment, learned behaviors and instinctive behavior. So what are the differences between the two? A learned behavior is something that you are taught. So you are taught how to talk, you are taught how to ride a bike, how to write, how to solve math problems, how to read. Instinctive behaviors are things that you are born knowing how to do. So your body automatically knows how to blink, how to sleep, how to breathe, how to suck your thumb, how to use the restroom. Now, it can be tricky using the restroom as you get older. Once you enter those toddler years, a learned behavior is being taught how to use the restroom in appropriate places. So be careful with that. We're looking again at learned behavior and instinctive behavior. Now, this assignment is very similar to the assignments that you've done in the past. It's the drag and drop feature, just like you would use on the milestone. So you have 3 answers here, 3 definitions. Make sure that you're reading the instructions and you're going to drag these to where they need to go. Okay? On the second slide, same thing. We're trying to differentiate between what is a learned behavior, what is an instinctive behavior. Here, a lot of people are having trouble with typing in their answers. When you see these little squiggly marks, these are question marks, guys. And if I click next to them and then I backspace, then I'm able to type in my answer. So for example, if I want to brainstorm some behaviors for each category, so a learned behavior, I can backspace the question mark, and a learned behavior is me speaking. So then I can go in and I can type that in. If I want to create another learned behavior, so I would like you to give me as many as you can come up with. So me riding my bike, okay? Me skating. So again, I'm just clicking right in front of those question marks and I'm backspacing backwards. Okay, so skating would have been another one. Again, I'm going to click right in front of the question mark, backspace. Me reading is a learned behavior. Me writing is a learned behavior. Okay, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to focus now on the instinctive side. So here, I want to click again, right behind that question mark, hit backspace, and instinctive behavior, me blinking, okay? Me breathing, or I can even focus in on me digesting my food, using the restroom, okay? And then I can keep going. So again, I want you to brainstorm as many as you can for each of these categories. Again, just hit right in front of those question marks and then backspace. All right, I'm going to go on to the next slide. This is an image search slide. I want you to go on Google and I want you to try to find a real life example, a real life picture of a learned behavior, crop it and stick it into this slide for me. The next slide is doing the same exact thing, but I want you to focus in on a real life example of an instinctive behavior. Moving on, name it the horse. I want you to focus in on what do you think is a learned behavior for the horse? What's an instinctive behavior for the horse? The next slide is a duck. What is a learned behavior for the duck? What is an instinctive behavior for the duck? Again, where it says type here, I'm just going to click here and then backspace back. Okay? All right, I'm going to scroll on down. I have a dolphin here. Learned behavior for the dolphin. What's an instinctive behavior? And then the last slide, I'm going to reflect. What is a learned behavior? What is an instinctive behavior? And give an example of a learned behavior and an example of an instinctive behavior. Again, in these boxes where it says type here, click right where it says type here, guys, and then just backspace all the way back. Okay? All right, have fun.